Welcome to the Center for Innovation at Fayetteville Public Library. To print on our Resin 3D printer, begin by opening Chitu Box on the computer. In the top left corner, you will see buttons to upload or save a file, or you can press the menu button in the corner where you can create, open, or save a project, or open a recent file you've used before. A monstrous 3D model will appear when your file uploads. You may need to scale the model up or down using the scale settings on the left of the screen. You can press Scale to Fit, which will precisely fit the model within the dimensions of the printer, or you can adjust by percentage to make your print the exact size you want. You can also flip the model around using the mirror buttons. Push the Slice button on the right. This will digitally cut the print into layers that the printer can read. Save this sliced file, then press Open the folder and save the file to a thumb drive. It's finally time to use the printer. Make sure it is turned on by flipping the switch at the back of the machine. We have several different resin colors ready for you to use, but you may need to ask a staff member to get the resin out for you. Remember, when you are dealing with resin, always wear gloves and keep your long, luscious hair pulled back. Resin can dry quickly and get stuck to your skin or your hair. Remove the cover off the top of the printer and carefully pour the resin into 1 or 2/3 of the rectangular bed, depending on the size of your print. Turn on the fume extractor next to the printer by pressing the giant red switch so that you don't breathe the putrid fumes of liquid resin. After throwing away your gloves, put the thumb drive in the machine towards the back of the left side. Press 3D Print and select the file you want to print. Then press Go. The screen will show a progress bar, how much time has passed, and an estimate of how much time is left on the print. We recommend having a book ready to read because we promise it will be way more interesting than watching this particular printer. When your print is finished, put gloves back on before you touch anything. Even though we are not liable for your resin mistakes, your safety is just as important to us as it should be to you, so please enjoy this riveting footage of someone putting gloves on. Press Confirm on the screen. Open the lid and carefully unscrew the plate from the top of the printer. Once it is loose, carefully slide the plate towards yourself and keep it over the cardboard on the counter so that the resin doesn't drip on the floor. Use the scraper to carefully scrape your print off the plate. Be ready to catch your prints in case they try to fly away. Next to the fume extractor is the sonic cleaner. Put your print in this machine and set the timer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes is up, take your print out, give it a little shake, and observe the beauty of your creation. To dry your print, place it on the spinning display on the other side of the sink and turn on the UV light. Leave your print here for 1 to 2 hours. Thoroughly wipe down the plate using a paper towel and carefully screw it back into the machine and replace the lid. Put the paper towel and your gloves in the trash below the printer and put everything back the way you found it. Happy printing!